Okay, got a start to the walk. Let's go to the cars if I can get even off the front deck. Whoa! I can't even see where the steps are. And I think that's the last one. There should be one more. There it is. Okay. Whoa! No, there it is. There's at least 16, 18 inches already. It's 3 o'clock. Whatever the hell day this is, 27th. Okay. Good God, we've been plowed once already. You would know it. There's a drift about 3 or 4 feet high right here in front of the car. My car, and that's right there. Sanborn Road. Oh, that's where the mailbox is, completely drifted over. Up on the roof. Yeah, we got plowed out about 3 hours ago. Okay. Ending this.